Welcome back for another episode of Cat School, and if you're new here, this is my 10-week make-along where I'm taking you through sewing all 10 cats in my best-selling pattern. This is part 3 of Toulouse and you will find the others on my page. So we are using one strand of embroidery floss and we are just going to make single stitches now for his whiskers, and I'm going to do those on the ears as well. And then we're also making his claws, which I'm using 2 strands of black embroidery thread. So after this is finished, we'll be ready to sew him together, which will be the next part tomorrow. Come back and follow along for more.